Hey, James Allen Hyman here today, showing you my Hyster. I was out of town for a week, and a couple weeks before that is when I put the seal in it, so I bet it starts right up. If it doesn't, you won't see this video. Let's push the clutch in down there. Push pull emergency killers off, twist the key, a little throttle. I told you, it runs like a sewing machine. You can barely hear it run. Look, let me show it to you. Look at that. Is that sweet or what, huh? I mean sweet. Nice machine. And to go somewhere, you push the clutch in. And just take it out of gear. There you go. And put it in gear. Raise the forks up, tilt the forks back. Get the clutch out. Brakes work good. Everything works good. Power steering works good. One finger on the power steering. It's got a 2-speed hoist. Just bottom the mast out. How about that? Doesn't even leak. Must have done a good job on it. Yes, sir. New tires over here. Good tires there. On the back's the new one. And then there's probably only one bad tire. Doesn't look good. It's good. I mean, it holds air. It's usable, but it looks like that. I'll shoot this over to you. Bye.